So it's the third day, and I've been eating a lot. Uh-oh. And the scale basically says I gained 10 pounds in 2 days. So that is crazy. This is the front of our hotel. It's super busy.
This is like different.
Well, yeah, it wasn't like this before. I guess because we left earlier the past few days.
Yeah, sounds about right. But whenever we take Grab, it's not in front of our hotel in the morning.
Oh, that's true. Oh, look at that. Bro, are we in?
Chinatown?
That looks like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Oh, look. Okay, so we skipped. We skipped. That's hilarious. You're funny. Oh, that pollution is crazy, huh? What are you trying to do? Did you want Chinese food? Did you want McDonald's or what? Oh no, it's okay. So what you want?
I want Chinese.
All right. So how are we gonna do this? Or did you want to walk down that way?
Huh?
Want to walk down that way?
Yeah.
I think it's like more crazy here. Let's go. Let's go. Want to go?
Yeah.
Right here. Okay. Do you have the Chinese place you want to go to? So we're in Chinatown now, I guess. The oldest Chinatown in the world. Yeah.
There was a place.
I know. Right here, Tanya. Look at it. Look at it. Want to walk here? There's cars coming. Our truck coming. Oh, it feels cool here. All right, yeah, where's it at though? Oh, I thought he was coming. Okay. You want to just stay somewhere? Stay on the sidewalk? Stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Where is it at? Oh. All right, so how are we gonna go?
Go one by one.
It's just down this street though. All right. Really? You want to be on the sidewalk or? Oh. Watch out the. Oldest. Look. Oldest Chinatown in the world. That's hilarious. So we skipped Quiapo Market and we went to Chinatown. So we're looking for the the Shanghai fried Siopao. Look at that, they have the little dragons up there too. Because when I saw the dragons, I was like, oh, this is Chinatown. All right. There's a lot of jewelry places and stuff. Yeah? I think we should keep going straight here. Tea house? Yeah, watch out. I feel more comfortable on the street. Huh? I want to walk on the street. Is that cool? Fresh lumpia. You really wanna? Let's get your fried. Let's see. Yeah, it's far away. Yeah, so we gotta try it, you know. All right, so this is the famous fried. What is this?
Siopao?
Fried Siopao. Oh, it's very hot. Yeah, so this is the famous fried Siopao in Shanghai fried Siopao. Very warm. Hopefully I'll be safe. What's in here anyways?
It's pork and some vegetables.
Pork and vegetables? Okay.
Savory and sweet? Or is it, what is it?
I don't know, but it's good. It's crispy in the bottom, but it's soft on top. Tastes really good. That's the filling inside.
I ordered some shumai as well. I've had a few of these in my life. I'm like, it's a hit or miss, but hopefully it's good.
Good luck to me.
I don't know. It should be. If it was fresher, maybe it'd be yummier.
There's no shrimp or anything in there?
Typically, there should be shrimp. I don't know if they have any though.
Oh. It's good. Tastes good. I thought there was shrimp.
There should be shrimp. See that tall?
Which way? To the left? Uh-oh, what's that?
No casino.
What's that?
No casino.
Oh, what's that?
Then we should go that way.
I think we should go this way. Just kidding, I don't want to go. Which way? You want to go straight or left?
We could go straight.
Straight?
That's more like.
Shade? This way? Why?
I don't know.
Alright, it's up to you. Ready? Yeah, looks like it. There's nothing here though.
There's nothing here.
It's okay. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Pretty, Izzy. It's pretty. Okay, well, there's no rain right now because we're under something, but going down. Oh, look at that fire truck. Oh, there's a laundromat. Watch out.
No, we can throw that away. Throw that in there.
Throw this?
Yeah.
You're done?
I don't want it.
Why? Are you sure?
Yeah, but I just don't want to carry too much stuff.
Oh. Oh man, it's gonna be sucky on my shoes. Watch
I
out.
like how we have a very bright umbrella too. So
Why?
people can see where we're going. So it's like,
There's nothing there. Did you want to go that way?
I don't know.
Because it looks like we're going to like a more
Secluded area.
isolated. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see where we're at on the map.
Yeah.
Woo! Dang. Oh, it's blocked up there.
Yeah, why don't you carry this for yourself? Because you are just gonna be sick, and I'll record you.
No, what about you? You're gonna get wet.
You're sick.
I'm not sick.
He's recovering.
Look, it's blocked
Never
up there.
mind. He's real bad. I just don't know.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Don't worry about it.
I don't know what we're doing.
That's what I'm saying. It's blocked. We gotta walk in the street. I mean, 30 minutes of this is kind of tough.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
We can take a Grab. You want to do that?
Not really. Yeah, it's hard to navigate because it's like the streets are narrow. There's heck of cars, and there's heck of people on the sidewalk. It's just, yeah, the rain just makes it really difficult though, because my shoes aren't waterproof.
And these are the only shoes we'll be like getting, or we only have these shoes for the next week
Yeah.
or two.
So yeah, we're gonna go to Museum of Fine Arts and then Rizal Park. We'll walk around Rizal Park. Hopefully it's not raining over there.
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's kind of hard to see. Kind of hard to see because of the water.